Hello, my name is Mrs. Michelle Liew, and I'm one of the English tutors here at Tutopiya. I will be introducing a writing activity for primary 2 students today, and the topic is the family. We are working with a child whose vocabulary and sentence structure need developing. When it comes to writing, the wider a person's vocabulary repertoire, the better his or her writing will be. And this um, applies to people of all ages, particularly children. So before they start writing any composition, they have to add to the words that they already know. So we'll first encourage them to collocate or compile vocabulary with the family. And we'll do this through a game of vocabulary bingo. The child will cross out words to do with the family, such as family, using our pencil tool, auntie, grandfather, uncle. Let me lift this up a little. Son, father, mother, and daughter. I will also get him to spell these words as well. All right. Um, Words like grandfather and grandmother are quite long, so we get them to spell these using our little word tool. There, of course, that would be grandfather and grandmother. Then we'll get him or her to uh, fill in the blanks with these words. My favorite, well, the obvious word choice would be auntie. Sarah is my father's older sister. And my parents tell my, well, brother Bob to look after me. We'll have sentences like this to test if he knows words to do with, or he's familiar with words to do with the family. After this, we will get him to do a composition activity. He will have to look at this picture of the family and write a short paragraph of 5 sentences about it. At the primary 2 level, he is actually supposed to be able to start writing. So we'll have sentences such as this. Okay? He will arrange the words in order to form sentences. Okay. This is if he has a problem um, writing sentences on his own. Okay. Some children at the primary 2 level are quite have quite good writing facility and are able to do so. And there are some who may need a little bit of help, and this is how we will provide that help. Okay, to get them to encourage write in sentences. So we'll go through each of these sentences and get him to arrange the words in order to form them. All right. Okay, that's all for now. I hope I've given you an idea of how we conduct lessons at Tutopiya. Thank you very